This is our cleanse rice porridge. So start off with 1/4 cup of rice per person. Wash it well and then place it into a pan and just roast it a little bit before you add water. Twice as much water to the amount of rice, and we can always adjust that later on. Add a tablespoon of linseeds and a teaspoon of chia seeds and mix them well with the rice. The spices we're going to use are cinnamon, which you can add in here already, and we're also going to add in a pinch of salt, good pinch of pink salt. Let that cook without a lid. Just make sure that it doesn't burn. In the meantime, grind 1/2 teaspoon of peppercorns and add that along with 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder and mix well. As this thickens, you're allowed to add more water in so that it gets to kind of a more liquid consistency. You want more water than less. So this cooks for about 20 minutes, and then you can either blend it up until it's a smooth porridge, or if you prefer to have it with more texture, you can eat it that way too. The choice is yours. Enjoy.